you are going to be investing in real estate, do not fall for the pitches of the realtors. Don't go fall for the gurus out there that are going to get you into things that sound hot, but there's no exit. You know what always has a market? Something that's paying out cash flow. Always. Investors love cash flow. If I know that I'm going to get a 10% return on my money, there's always somebody who wants that. Heck, there's a market for things that do 3 and 4%. Always. So if you have a good performing asset, you'll always have an exit plan. If you are buying something on speculation, believing that the market's going to go up, you don't have an exit until those things happen. So if you have all of a sudden an issue or you need the funds, you don't have an exit. And that's what happened in 2008, 2009, 2010, in that Great Depression, is a whole bunch of people were walking in and buying things without anticipating what the exit strategy was. Always know your exit.